Good day mga Kabayan Techers! This is your The Kabayan Tech, and it's a Thursday today, and we have our new segment every Thursday, which is what we call Troubleshooting Thursday.
Welcome.
Thursday. For our first Thursday, Troubleshooting Thursday, we're going to do how to transfer True Tone from the broken screen going to the new screen using JC V1S. Okay mga Kabayan Techers, so the things that we need on this one is obviously the old screen that is broken, and we will use the JC V1S, and we have here a replacement screen. Okay, so paano natin malalaman kung ang screen na to, we're going to assume that this screen came from an iPhone 8, 8 Plus, 10, 10R, 10S, 10S Max, that you can transfer True Tone function. So the first thing that we're going to do is to copy the serial number of the original screen and transfer it to the replacement screen. And let's do that. The top portion of the cable goes directly doon sa 778 display na port. You might notice na meron po mga serial numbers na listed dito. We just have to take note of the last 4 digits, which is ES2A. And then so that we could verify this one to the transferred screen. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to do the read function here and press this one. Okay, it beeps. It says that read underlying file 01. So doon niya po sinave. So I'm going to remove this cable. You could use a black stick. Ililipat po natin dito. Okay. And there we go. We're going to do write. And tatanungin po kayo whether to write that file onto the display, and we say yes. We are done. So the last 4 digit is ES2A. We take out this one, and that's it. So we're going to use this one and transfer it doon po sa iPhone 8 na ginamit natin. And then for you to check if it has True Tone, go to settings and then display and brightness, and you will see a toggle there that says True Tone. Kung wala pong lumabas, do the same procedure again, copy the old screen and do it to the new screen. And that's about it. Thank you mga Kabayan Techers. Happy Thursday, Troubleshooting Thursday, and thank you very much.